Welcome back, friends. In this video, you will learn what is Canva Sheet and how to use it. If you are already using other spreadsheet apps like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, it will be super easy for you to learn Canva Sheets. If you are totally new in learning spreadsheets, don't worry. I will guide you every basics that the beginner should understand. First, let's understand what is Sheet. Sheet is an application interface created in a structure of row, column, and cells. Various kinds of data and information can be entered, stored, calculated, analyzed, and visualized in the sheets. We usually use sheets for the data, which involves lots of numeric values where we need to do different calculations and analysis using formulas. To use Canva Sheets, you have to first open the Canva application. You can install the Canva application in PC from Microsoft Store. In mobile, you can install it from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. You can also directly open Canva in internet browser like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any other browser. Let me open Canva application, which is already installed in my PC. To use Canva Sheet, click on this sheet logo. In the Design tab, you can see lots of pre-built sheet templates such as Campaign Tracker, Budget Tracker, Sales Tracker, Lead Tracker, and so on. If you want to use a template, you can click on it and start using. However, if you are very new on using Spreadsheet, don't go with a template. Learn the basics of Spreadsheet before using the templates. Collapse the Design tab by clicking on this button. This is the user interface of Canva Sheet. First, understand the row, column, and cell structure that is common in every spreadsheet applications. The vertical lines given by alphabets such as A, B, C, D are called the columns. The horizontal lines given by the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 are called the rows. At the cross point or intersection point of every column and row, there you see rectangular shaped boxes. These are called the cells. Cells are the container of every data or information that we enter. Every cell can hold a specific type of data at a time, which can be a text, number, symbol, formula, etc. If I click on this cell, here you see the column B and row number 3 is highlighted with a different color. The name of selected cell is B3. If I click on this cell, the column E and row 7 is highlighted, and the name of selected cell is E7. Let's see how do we enter data in Canva Sheet. Suppose that you want to keep record of your personal income and expenses, calculate the total income and expenses, visualize the category-wise expenses in a bar chart. You can do it all in Canva Sheet. Canva Sheets has lots of AI-powered features that will save your time on analyzing and visualizing the data, and even in using formulas. You do not need to be a spreadsheet formula master. You can just ask Canva to do a calculation in natural language, and Canva will build the formula for you. To start entering data, click on the cell and type the data. In the A1 cell, write date. Press Enter to store data in the cell A1 and select Next Cell down. You can also click on Next Cell manually. Let's click on B1 cell and type income/expenses. To make the sheet window bigger or smaller, use this Zoom in and out option. Here I have done mistake in the spelling of date. To edit it, you have two options. Click on the cell. At the top of Sheet interface, you can see a bar with FX written. This is called the formula bar. In the formula bar, the value written in the A1 cell is visible. Click on the formula bar and edit the value. Alternatively, you can double-click on the cell to edit the value. Put the remaining column headers required for tracking the personal income and expenses, which are category, amount, and remarks. Here in the date column, you can put a calendar to easily pick up the date. For this, select some cells below A1. Click on Actions. Scroll down and click on Date. A small calendar logo appears in the cell. By clicking on it, you can activate the calendar. Click on a date, and the date goes in the cell. In the Income and Expenses column, create a drop-down list to choose from either income or expenses. Click on B2 cell. Click on Actions button, then click on Drop-down. Click on Create Drop-down. Click on the small down arrow key. Here you see the list options for the drop-down. To edit the list, click on the edit icon. Change this option 1 to income. Click on tick mark to update it. Similarly, change the option 2 to expenses. Delete the option 3. Now, click on the first cell that has dropped down. Hover over mouse pointer to bottom right corner of the cell, and when the plus icon appears, click, hold, drag, and drop the drop-down list for other cells. As you can see here, the drop-down selection list appears in every cell from which you can choose either income or expenses. Following the same method, add drop-down list for selecting the income and expenses categories, which can be like household, health, education, fuel, etc. for expenses, and salary, bank interest, etc. for the income. Now, let's enter some data of income and expenses before exploring other interesting features of Canva Sheet. A sample data of income and expenses is ready. Suppose that if you want to display the total income and total expenses at the top of sheet, you have to insert some rows. To insert row, move mouse pointer above row number 1. When the plus icon appears, click on it. A new row is inserted. Insert one more row by again clicking on the plus icon. In B1 cell, write total income. In D1 cell, write total expenses. If you don't know what formula to use here, you can use the AI-powered tool of Canva Sheet, that is Magic Formulas. Click on C1 cell, click on the Action button. Scroll down and click on Magic Formula option. In the Magic Formulas box, simply type what you want. Right here, calculate the total income. Click on this Generate Formula button. Here you see, it has given the formula suggestion to be used in the C1 cell to calculate income total, which is the SUMIF formula. Click on this Insert into C1 to apply the formula. Here you see, the total income is calculated using SUMIF formula. Similarly, use the Magic Formula tool to calculate total expenses. Select total income and total expenses. Click on this alignment tool to keep the text center aligned. To apply fill color in the column headers, select the column headers. Click on this background fill color and choose color from here. To apply borders in the data, select the data range, click on this border tool and choose a border color. Border is applied in data range. By using these tools, you can change the styling or formatting of font like font name, size, color, etc. Let's see how to visualize data in Canva Sheets. If you want to visualize the total income versus expenses in a bar chart, select this data, then click on this Magic Charts option. Here you see, a message is given which is we couldn't generate good results. This is because this data is not in proper structure to create visual. Let's change the data structure by linking the total income and expenses values in a different range. Click on G1 cell, press equals, then click on B1 cell and press enter. Link the total income value in G2 cell. Beside it, link total expenses and its value. Select this new data range, then click on Magic Chart option. Here you have different charts for visualization. Click on View All Charts to see more chart options. Let me click on this bar chart. And here you see the bar chart is created to visualize total income and expenses data. Use drag and drop feature to change the location of chart. You can customize this visual by using the Edit tool given in the toolbar. Click on Edit, and then Customize. Suppose, if you want to add the data label in the bar, turn on this Data Labels option which adds the data labels in the bar. Furthermore, you can also import data from other sources like Excel workbook or CSV files. For this, click on the Action button and click on Import Data. Click on Upload Data and choose the Excel file that you want to upload. Let me upload this sales data Excel workbook by double-clicking on it. In the designs, the workbook is being uploaded. Click on the uploaded Excel workbook to load the data into Canva Sheet. Click on Add as New Page option. As you can see here, data is added to the sheet. If you want to analyze this data and find some important information from it, you can use the Magic Insights tool. For this, select the data. Click on Action button, then Magic Insights. Click on Generate button to generate the insights from the data. Here you see the insights of the data are presented. Overview of the data is given here. Total sales revenue across all transactions is 1.9 million. Total quantity sold is 14,096 units. Average selling price per unit is given here. This is a visual report on top customers by sales revenue. Next is the category-wise contribution to sales revenue. To add this visual into the sheet, simply click on it. Visual is added to the sheet. So this is all about using the AI-powered spreadsheet of Canva. This application is recently launched by Canva at the time of making this video. So, we can expect that Canva will add more interesting features, formulas, and tools in the future. If you like this video, please give it a like by hitting on that like button. Also subscribe the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.